Kiang Nangbah Shillong kalong belapun krek berpedang sobhai ka tamasa ba asngi kata khat saw ba santri usau arjar apuar ka belatip kum ka Tri Hills Assemble Haplau State Central Library. Kani ka tamasa kalong sibenta ban kantiu pau perthei griti du sultan rai hakatri kam trejam korkom shet jingbam karwai ka siau ka jingsna ba harukom jongki jai bendu rum khasi chantia batgaru ka jalam Meghalaya. Ubak Frederick ar Kharkongol Commissioner and Secretary Art and Culture ka Sarkar Chalau Luong bakani ka tamasa labai tingka the Ministry of Travel Affairs ka Sarkar India hakamang jinglut ka long South Lai lak tingka. Da ka papan pau ba hakani ka tamasa kindan riu tuli kisnong na rilom khasi jantia patgaro kibanyo jing itu hak jing tibet bansna netre ki kam ki bakarpang. Uloong bakani ka tamasa ka long sibenta ka jingrakhi ya ka jingdap nyopsan snam ka jingyo lailut kari India bat sanpo snam ka jingyo ka Meghalaya la ka jong ka jela. Haka khasau tri usau arjar puar haka sisdang ka tamasa on pliru ik motdur jangki laingut kinong ile lailut katau Tirot Sing Kiang Nangbah bat Pa Togan Sangma haplau ka Central Library dau mentirang ba ka jela konrat ki Sangma.
Kini ka khatsau but khatsantre nang liang jung ka Department of Arts and Culture ngin sa penlong ye ni ka Tri Hills Festival. The one of he let's say pinlongo pelegi ka Tri Hills. The Tri Hills kamot basically of course ngidan lightly ki three main regions angni lightly ki lom mo banong no khasi jantia as well as garo and tri ru kani ka short form for tribal. The Naliangjong ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs gat jing Srilangjong ka Department of Arts and Culture kamot in long ye co-organize ye kani ka program bukan ke Tri Hills Festival. The kani ka Tri Hills Festival kalong sibentaru jong kani ka Meghalaya at 50, but jo poru kani ka India at 75, Azadi ki Amrit Mahotsav. But kani ka festival ka compare nagi bai ki festival because kumangitip hapo Meghalaya kala adon a lot of focus on nature, on culture bare let's say ka khamduna. The ye perkhat ba kani ka festival kanong authentic but kanong original in the sense that ka focus jong kani ka festival kanlong on the authentic culture, on the authentic you know kani ka consciousness mo tribal consciousness jong ka state jungi the kumun chukran ngkot no kani ka celebration kani ka festival kanlong ka festival ka ban kuntup ka culture, crafts, cuisine, costumes, delicacy as well as drama. So 4 C's and 2 D's. They kawai kaban compare na kaniru kadai ba kanon ka focus on cuisine, on tribal cuisine. They kanon ru kani ka banong na kani ka simulation jong ka yodo hagani ka festival. But kindon ru ki iconic food stalls but ki cuisine ki pair number lightly ki region from all the 3 hills. And at the same time, haka inaugural function by someone the Chief Minister, but the Minister of Arts and Culture, kandonru kane inauguration jong 3 life-sized statues at one place. Jong Tirot Sing, jong Kiang Nangbah, but jong Pa Togan Sangma. The barabor ki kini ki statues kisi don haki jaka pair kumopi. The for the first time kandon at one venue in don 3 life-sized statues jong kini ki 3 tribal brivars jungi but kandon ka inauguration jong gini ru but kawai ka program ka ban kampenlong more meaningful ru ya kani ka 2-day festival bangi don kadai bangi ni declare ki arts and craft villages kumunchwa phi osmo bagadon ka the cleanest village ka kani ka molono then kadon ka silk village chapo umden temunta na liang jong art culture ngini ai official declaration ru yaki arts and crafts villages in the first phase ngila jet reutli ki villages kawai ka waken it's well known for traditional instruments and also expertise in traditional music kabahar ka larnai kabelong very famous for black clay poetry. I mean for the black clay pottery kabelong unique kabelong fair ba ibale tang digi I mean done only by the women and it's very unique and also it's made from the particular clay of that particular village. Kabalai ka pahambir ka brana pori bhai ka pahambir ru ka village ka very rich in art and culture, in folklore, and then ki penkam ki bamboos ki set ki tai they kalong very unique. Then ka basaw ka tangmang is very well known for mat making, bamboo mat making brana jan purusla Then san gari ka mairang kalong very artistic in the sense that a lot of artists, a lot of sculptors, a lot of painters ki meet po mairang but umni tangata ki kime ki paro ki support ki begin pule po shanti niketan but ki art institutions, but a lot of people a lot of young people, a lot of the artistic community ki blossom na po mairang but kaba Rio gre Aminda gre kaba na po Kyrwoh Hills. It is a living wood museum and very well known for traditional wood and craft. And the kini ki Nyomut kini villages means declare ki officially ki art and craft villages. Can do a small demo of the specialities of these villages in this particular festival. Te sagawairu kandan kani ka kini traditional drama because Bonsen Nisha Klep Yiri Khasi Jendia Jungi Kilong very rich in the in the theatre as well, in the traditional theatre as well as drama. They can run drama begin le na Panaliar Club kin le halor ka life jung Phanong Lai, the first lady freedom fighter Kiang Nangbah ki tribal brave hearts. The Kaneka festival can Mauru. It's about revisiting revisiting your roots, appreciating your culture, and in fact a sub theme jung festival connected to culture rooted in nature because katahi kadega the defining feature of the Meghalaya culture, but it is rooted in nature, connected to culture. The a lot of Kannamru kawega very special program at the end of the inauguration on the first day katahi water confluence ceremony kin na maro likely ki regions nagi main rivers na po Kinshi representing West Khasi Hills, na po Umngot representing Khasi Hills, but na po Simsang I mean there'll be water coming from these places, and then symbolically Kandonga tree plantation which will be watered by the rivers of these three main rivers of these three regions. The Kitakiri some of the major highlights. Apart from that, Kindon ki Jingshat ki belong very unique ki desi bon ki brio ki berapa sor kinum padi inkom. I mean they would not have seen it earlier. Many different kinds of dances which are very unique, which come from very different regions. Then Kindonru ki Jingruai, Kindonru kini ki kini ki arts and crafts ki bangi la banga team jungi kala wat kala locate from very different places, but ki arts and craft ki dances ki bampat expose menchwa. Let's say through this festival our young generation also will be able to connect with their culture. They'll be able to see with their eyes, kanong immersive but kanong experiential kanika program. But at the same time, kanang program kan kamdei tang bapin shupet, bapin interact, bapin engage, bapin involve. Kindon kita ki kita ki different cuisines, but kanang kita representation of the markets. But hakaju kapor kandandu kabenta bagi concentrate pang hill state movement. Kindon ki jingkren ki kini recollections of the sacrifice of our statehood leaders, but everything will be traditional. They kumanshu repeat biang kini ki 4 C's mo culture, craft, cuisine and costume, delicacies and drama, but done through very traditional way, blending with modernity, and it'll be a celebration of the 3 states, of the 3 regions, of the 3 hills, and of the tribal way of life. This is the objective of this festival in brief.